In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in the Mozilla Thunderbird calendar on Windows. By the end, your calendar will display dates exactly the way you prefer, whether that's month first, day first, or a more descriptive style. This is especially helpful if you collaborate across regions or just want your calendar to match how you think about dates. Start by opening Mozilla Thunderbird on your Windows computer. If it's already running, make sure you're on the main window where you can see your mail and calendar options. The setting we need lives in Thunderbird's menu, so look to the top right corner of the window for the icon with three horizontal lines. It's often called the hamburger menu. Click that three-line menu and choose Settings. Depending on your version of Thunderbird, this might be labeled Settings or Options, but they lead to the same place. Once you're in the Settings window, look at the left-hand sidebar and select Calendar. This section controls how your calendar looks and behaves. Within the calendar settings, find the Date Text Format option. This controls how dates appear throughout the calendar. Things like 04/23/2026 versus 23/04/2026, or even formats that use short or long month names. Click the selector next to Date Text Format and pick the style that matches your preference or your organization's standard. As soon as you choose a format, Thunderbird applies it across your calendar, including month, week, and day views, as well as event details. If you don't see the change immediately, switch between views or open and close the calendar pane to refresh the display. While you're here, you can also fine-tune a few related calendar preferences to keep everything consistent. Adjust the time zone to make sure event times line up correctly, especially if you travel or work with people in other regions. Set your preferred first day of the week so the grid matches your workflow. Some people like Monday first, others prefer Sunday. And review your week view options to decide how many days you see at once and how they're laid out, which can make scanning your schedule faster. To recap, open Thunderbird, click the three-line menu, head into Settings, choose Calendar, locate the date text format, and select the style you want. Then, if needed, confirm your time zone and tweak your day and week view preferences. That's all it takes to make your Thunderbird calendar clearer and more intuitive on Windows. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly customized date format.